Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We're looking tonight at NEO. Now this one is down by about 5% in today's trading session. Not the best day here for NEO stock, but given the past 5-day result of minus 3.6%, I also don't think it is the worst day in the world. I'll be explaining why over the course of this video. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions, and giving my opinions going forwards into next week. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe, as I do upload many videos on many different stocks every single day. I'd also like to remind you about my Patreon page. If you want to get more exclusive behind the scenes stock analysis, stock picks and updates, you can find all of that stuff over there. Jumping straight into the video though, let's have a look over here. And again guys, as always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just to reiterate that. Right, you can see here this stock is ultimately down today, but if you do notice one thing, we are finding this stock still holding above key levels, still holding into the range roughly around the 695 mark, and I think this is significant. Now because the stock did so well in the last day or so, I actually did believe that we saw that potential of seeing this one go on higher. And of course, you have a look at what we have seen throughout the week. Yes, we did begin to break out of the cycle, but we just didn't find that support to stick. It didn't stick, and coming into today, we've seen this drop significantly. Now we haven't had that confirmation of this breakout, my opinion hasn't necessarily changed, but I have become short term a bit more cautious. So we were looking at this drop with NEO stock, similar to what we had seen here, similar to what we had seen here in the past. It looked like the same thing was happening again, but it looked like we may have gotten out of it at a bit of a shallower angle this time. Now I'm questioning whether that is the case. Now I'm questioning whether this level, particularly at 692, is going to hold. I'm questioning if we're going to find the support here at 680. If you find that, I think things are still very strong. And I know that would represent a relatively significant drop to drop down to 680, but again, in context, I don't think it matters too much. However, that is now one of the levels that I am watching for. Now, levels of resistance, if we are able to break to the upside, I think you're initially looking to push past levels such as 730. I think you're then looking for levels such as 740, 745. From there, you are looking for a potential push, in my opinion, which may take us above 755, 760 for a potential push onto the high sevens. I think from there things get very interesting, and I think NEO stock, whilst again today has not been the best day in the world, I do think things are consolidating nicely, and ultimately over a long period of time, I do think that can only be a good thing. However, I'd love to hear your opinions on it down in the comments, guys. Thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching the video, and I hope I will see you again soon. Goodbye. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.